Hey Bessie, so I'm starting off this video with making my bed. So I woke up and I'm going to be putting my duvet cover back on my bed. My sheets are all clean and I'm just making my bed. Today's video I'm doing a lot of just like straightening up and preparing myself and my apartment for the week so that I can have a more productive week. And I feel like when you have a clean apartment or house or even room, you can focus on other things like work and self-care, and you don't have to like be constantly cleaning up. So now I'm just doing some skincare. I washed my face and I am brushing through my lashes to dry them and make them fluffy again. Just doing my oral hygiene routine, brushing my teeth, brushing in between my brackets, and I'm gonna do a mask. I got this one from Target. It's supposed to be hydrating, but it really, like, the product was really dry and hard to work with, so I don't really recommend it, but I thought it just would look cute and fit the vibes of the video. So now I'm just putting on some lip plumper, and yeah, I put a towel on my head just to, again, get the vibe of like self-care, to try to get some cute footage and some pictures, but really none of them turned out cute. So now I'm just finishing up my skincare. I'm taking this mask off. I'm going to go in with, I think, some niacinamide, vitamin C, and my moisturizer. I have been breaking out so bad recently. I'm not sure what it is, if it's hormonal or if it's, I don't know. But I did just buy some new skincare products with a lot of like AHA, BHA, and like salicylic acid and things like that. So hopefully my skin kind of reverses back to what it was. In this video, I don't even think I was breaking out yet. It happened probably like a couple days after this video. But I did just buy some new skincare, so I probably will be showing you guys in the upcoming videos what I got, or I most likely will put it on TikTok. But now I'm just going in and putting on a very, very simple makeup routine, very natural. I'm using an illuminating primer, and then I'm just concealing wherever I feel like I need to conceal, just a little tinted moisturizer. And yeah, just so I don't look all crazy in this video. It does help me to look a little put together, to motivate myself to clean. So I'm just putting my hair up into a clip, and yeah, let's get into this Sunday reset. But before we do that, I do have a quick sponsor. So thank you so much, Warby Parker, for sponsoring today's video. If y'all didn't know, I do wear glasses and contacts. You guys never see me in glasses because mine are hideous. So I was in desperate need of a new pair. And Warby Parker offers a wide range of eyeglasses, sunglasses, contacts, and even eye exams, both online and in store. All the glasses start at $95, including prescription lenses. And if the idea of ordering glasses online scares you, Warby Parker does have a free home try-on program where you can order 5 pairs to try on for free with no obligation to buy them. It ships free and comes with a prepaid return shipping label, so it's easy and convenient. All I had to do was take a quick quiz, and they gave me suggestions that would best suit my face. So I love that I can try on 5 frames because I am so indecisive. Not that it helped, because all of the glasses I tried on are super cute. They come in different widths, shapes, and color options, and the quality is amazing. So I'm really excited because I've never had glasses that look this good on me. So let me know which ones are y'all's favorites in the comments. And don't forget, you can try on 5 pairs of glasses at home for free. So just head over to warbyparker.com/TayaRenee. And again, thank you so much, Warby Parker, for sponsoring today's video. All right, so back to the Sunday reset. The night before, I did order groceries on Instacart because I needed to refill my fridge. And if you guys don't follow me on TikTok, then you don't know, my mom did come over and she blessed me. She organized my fridge and my pantry, so I'll insert a few clips of her doing so. This was the before, disgusting, and it was just a mess. Like, usually when I get groceries, I just throw them into my fridge and my cabinet with no type of organization. So she took everything out and she sprayed down and wiped down my fridge. So this is all of my groceries laid out, and we did get these like acrylic plastic containers. They were from Home Goods, and I think we might have got a couple from Marshall's. I think everything was around like $5.99 to $9.99. So yeah, she washed all my produce for me. She put them into the containers and she just organized everything else, putting them into the containers, and everything fit so perfectly in my fridge, and it just looks and feels so fresh and new. It feels like I just moved in, and I just feel like keeping things, even the small details of your home, organized and nice will really help your home feel like an oasis, and it will help you stay motivated. Especially if you work from home, it just helps to have everything nice and fresh. And especially if your place isn't as new, having things like this just make it feel, brand new and just exciting. So let me know what you guys think about her organizing and everything. So I'm just putting away my groceries from the order, and I did get some carafes, so I'm just putting my juice in them. I got, I think, 4 of them. My mom also bought them for me, but I put my juice, my milk, and water in them, and it just looks really put together and cute. So I'm just putting away my dishes and cleaning up my kitchen some more. And let me know if you guys like these type of videos. I think I am going to do some more organizing to my bathroom. So if you guys want to see that, definitely let me know, and I can keep making videos on how I keep my apartment, like my little oasis and happy place, because I am in my apartment like 80% of my life, especially because I work from home. So I feel like it is really helpful to keep it clean and also cute and decorated and things, just little things that make it a happy place for me. So yeah, I'm just cleaning up. I did my dishes, cleaning out the sink, and I'm also going to be cleaning my produce. So what I did is put some lemon juice and water into a tub, and then I let the produce soak for a little bit, and then I used a clean brush to scrub them off, and I put them on a drying rack and just sprayed them off and let them dry. I didn't really show that part because I forgot I was filming and I didn't get that on camera, but I'm just gonna move them over to a drying rack and then spray them off with water. And now I'm gonna be doing some laundry. I'm washing my sheets and my duvet and just all of my blankets in my house, clothes and things like that. So now for my bathroom, I'm just cleaning out my sinks. I like to use a SOS pad to clean my sink first, and then I go in with some antibacterial soap because I feel like the soap is what really cleans, and then you can rinse it off, and I feel like that gets it the most clean rather than spraying some type of cleaning spray. I feel like the spray can stick to the surface and it just builds up, but I feel like if I do soap first, rinse it off, and then do spray, it's more clean that way. And the SOS pad really helps to scrub off the makeup and dirt that gets in your sink just from washing your face and brushing your teeth and things like that. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up. Like I said, this video is just mainly cleaning up, and that's really what helps me to reset and just prepare for the week, is having a clean apartment. So if you guys want to see some more like Sunday reset or just like self-care videos, let me know, because I do love doing self-care. I have a lot of products, so I definitely can make some videos just showing you guys like my weekly or even daily like body care, skincare, more hair care, things like that. So just let me know. And I did have somebody comment on my last video, and they asked if I would consider doing vlogs, and I feel like some of you guys probably are new here. So I have tried to do vlogs in the past. I have a vlog camera, but I don't know, I just feel like I'm already anxious in public, and I'm anxious on camera. I just live a very anxious life. So it's kind of hard for me to take a camera in public and talk to it, especially because when I get a camera in my face, I really don't know what to say. But yeah, I do have vlog cameras, so in the future, if I get more comfortable, which I know is just gonna come from me working more, then I will definitely consider it. But here I'm just straightening up my living room and getting everything in order before I go in and dust and wipe everything down. And yeah, don't look at my couch, you guys. It's my least favorite thing about my apartment. Hopefully I'll get a new one soon, but I just hate it. Like, I don't like the gray look, and I thought it was going to be more of a cream color because I did order it online, but it's very much gray. And yeah, so I'm dusting off my blinds. And if you guys are wondering, this robe is from Target. I'll try to remember to link it, but if I don't, you could just search, I think, like women's cotton long robe is what it was called. But right here I am folding up my blankets that I washed. They're all fresh and clean and smell good, so I'm just putting them in this little basket and putting it under my coffee table. And then I'm gonna go in and clean up my mirrors in my room. I literally love everything in my room, like the little gold accents, like everything is, well, not everything, but most of it is very bright and just calming to me. Like, my bed is all white, and then I have like the touches of wood and just very like nude and neutral, and I don't know, it's very calming to me. It's like my little oasis. I keep saying that word. But now I'm vacuuming, and if you guys have a good, like, affordable but effective vacuum for carpet that's not too bulky, please let me know, because this vacuum literally does nothing for my carpet. It works great on the floors, but for carpet it does absolutely nothing. But yeah, I'm just straightening up my couch, and I like to spray Lysol on it just to get rid of any bacteria and things like that. And then I'm going to spray some fabric spray on it, and then I'm going to go in and take some Fabuloso. This is the lavender scent, the best scent that they have. It's so good. And I'm gonna mop my floors. This is my favorite mop of all time. I used to work in a daycare, and we use this mop, and it's just so fun because you spin it and it gets all the water out, and it's just really fun to do. I love mopping. And yeah, I'm gonna light my little Joe Malone candle. This was a Christmas present from my mom. I didn't use it for a really long time because I knew once I started using it I wouldn't be able to stop, and I'm gonna have to get a new one. And that's exactly what happened. I literally just started using this candle like a couple months ago, so I'm trying to hold on to it as much as possible, but it smells amazing. And yeah, so I'm done cleaning. I'm just winding down now. I made dinner, got my candles going, and I'm just relaxing. This pasta is a recipe I saw on Instagram. It's like a Cajun Alfredo. I just put some bell peppers, some garlic, Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, and chicken, and then of course seasonings. And I think that's it for this recipe. I'm not a chef at all. If I have a recipe, like, I can follow a recipe, but other than that, I'm really not that good of a cook. And this turned out really good. It was so easy. It took me like 20 minutes, and it lasted me like 6 meals after, so I had it like for lunch and dinner like a few more days after. And yeah, it's just really good. It's not the healthiest option, but I am trying to stop eating out, so I wanted to make something that would last me, you know, for a couple days. So I just made my dinner, and I put on some Netflix. They finally put Mean Girls back on Netflix. I've been waiting for so long. I even rented it on Amazon because I love this movie so much. It's like one of my favorites. So I put on Mean Girls while I ate my dinner, and then I just planned out my month. I had some appointments coming up. If I don't write them down, I definitely will forget about them. So yeah, I'm just planning out my month, writing down some content that I need to create and deadlines and things like that. And then I'm going to do some goal planning and finish some to-do lists. I did need a couple more groceries, so I did things like that. And I feel like it just really helped me to have a plan for the week so that I could get things done. And yeah, that's pretty much how I ended my night. Very relaxing, and then I just did some skincare and went to bed. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in the next one.